Hello students and my dear friends, welcome to my channel CGAT Maths. Myself Dr. Suresh Brother, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Channabasva University, Kalburgi. Students and friends, in this video we are discussing example on finding the Fourier series of f of x for the function 1 plus 2x by pi in the interval minus pi to 0 and 1 minus 2x by pi in the interval 0 to pi, and also deduce the result, that is pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Students, as usual, we know that the regular method is first we are going to write the Fourier series, that is Fourier series f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n runs from 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus summation n runs from 1 to infinity dn into sin nx. So after writing a Fourier series, so then we are going to find out a naught, an and en. Then the next, by the advantage, by the help of, by the concept of odd and even nature, you can able to reduce the steps. In the previous example we have done for function x square, there f of x is equal to x square is a even function. In such a cases, we require to find only the value of a naught and an only. Simultaneously, bn value is equal to 0 because of even function. Okay. In this example also, we are using the concept of even and odd function. So just observe what is the definition of odd and even nature in terms of cases. This is called cases, student. F of x has two values is called cases. So how do you express? That is the concept of odd and even nature. Even nature. The function f of x is expressed as a phi of x and xi of x. First one in the interval minus pi to 0, second one in the interval 0 to pi. So how to decide the concept of or how to decide the function f of x is even or not? This is very simple, student. So if the phi of minus x is equal to xi of x, if you replace x by minus x here, if you get this value is called even, and phi of minus x is equal to minus of xi of x, we call it as a odd function. Here, student, that is phi of x value is 1 plus 2x by pi, and xi of x value is 1 minus 2x by pi. So let us verify. Now just substitute x by minus x here. Phi of minus x is equal to, this is 1 plus 2 times of x is minus x divided by pi. So which is same as 1 minus 2x by pi is same as xi of x. So what we got is phi of minus x equal to xi of x. So we conclude that the function f of x is a even function. Okay. If the function f of x is a even function, it is required to find out only a naught and an, then bn value become 0. find out. Okay, so that is since since uh, since f of x is a even function, then Pn equal to 0 and a naught equal to, which is 2 by pi, integral runs from 0 to pi f of x into dx, and an value is 2 by pi, integral runs from 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into. Students, just substitute the value of f of x in the interval 0 to pi. 0 to pi, just go back. What is the value? In the interval, 0 to pi, the interval 0 to pi, the value of f of x is 1 minus 2x by 5. So we are using this. That is 1 minus 2x by 5. The value of f of x is 1 minus 2x by 5 between the into dx. This is 0 to pi. So 2 by pi, integration of 1 is x, 2 by pi is constant, integration of x is x square by 2 between the limits 0 to. Now, which is equal to 2 by pi, keep it as it is. 2 by pi, keep it as it is, substitute per limit. X is pi, here 2 and 2 get cancelled. Pi minus pi square by pi per limit minus lower limit, both containing x value. So this is 0 minus 0 square by. So here pi and 1 pi get cancelled. So this is 2 by pi into, this is pi minus pi. So pi minus pi is 0, 0 into 2 by pi is 0. Therefore, a naught value is. So the value of a naught is equal to 0. Fine. Next. Next, we are going to find out the value of an. An is equal to 2 by pi. Integral runs from 0 to pi. F of x value is in the interval 0 to pi is, we have already used here, 1 minus 2x by pi into cos of nx into dx. Now, an is equal to 2 by pi, keep it as it is. We know the Bernoulli's rule. Students, just I apply directly integration of product of two function uv. Okay. First function is 1 minus 2x by pi. Integration of cos nx is sin nx by n minus differentiation of first function. 1 is 0, minus 2x by pi is minus 2 by pi. In integration of sin nx by n is minus cos nx divided by n square. So next differentiation of minus 2 by pi is 0. We will stop here itself. Given the limits 0 to pi. So an is equal to, again, we come across that the value of sine function for upper limit pi and lower limit 0 The first term becomes 0, students. Now this is 2 by pi times. Look at here, this is minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Okay. 2 by pi n square. 2 by pi n square is a constant. So remaining is only cos nx. Substitute upper limit cos n pi minus lower limit n into 0 just cos 0. With minus 4 by pi square n square into minus 1 whole raised to n minus is the value of E. Or is also written as you can multiply or you can take the minus sign common. So an is equal to, this is 4 by n square, 4 by n square pi square, is you can write in the reverse order. Fine, is the value of an. So further we need to substitute these values in the given Fourier series. Therefore, f of x is equal to a naught value is 0 plus summation n runs from 1 to infinity. An value is 4 by n square pi square into 1 minus of minus 1 whole raised to n into cos nx, and bn is already 0 because of what? Given function. Students, we also need what is the value of 1 minus of minus 1 whole raised to n. This value is for even function and odd function. Even and odd nature. You want to write for n is equal to 1. This is minus 1. Minus minus plus. This is for odd, which is 2. You can also verify for 3. Minus 1 whole raised to 3 is again negative. So minus minus plus. For even number, it is 0. So now, what we are going to write is f of x can be written as, here can take 4 by pi square outside summation. Now here we are writing n is equal to odd 1, 3, 5, so on. Here you will have only 1 by n square. Its value is 2 into cos nx. Okay, fine. So now you can expand the series. F of x is equal to 4 2s, which is 8 times of 8 by pi square. Expand by substitution of odd number, 1 by 1 square into cos x plus 1 by 3 square into cos 3x, 1 by 5 square into cos of 5x. Now students, so next we are going to substitute x value is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to 0 means left side becomes f of 0. This is 8 by pi square. Cos 0 is 1. 1 by 1 square is 1 by 1 square. Keep it as it is. Cos 0 is 1 plus 1 by 3 square into again cos 0 is 1 plus 1 by 5 square. So I want to find out f of 0. Since we know that f of x is equal to 1 plus 2x by pi and 1 minus 2x by pi. First one for first one for minus pi less than x less than or equal to 0. Second one for 0 less than or equal to x less than pi. So look at when x equal to 0, it will take first one. So you can substitute x equal. No, look at here. Both conditions are also valid because x equal to 0. First condition is also valid. Again, it is also valid. You can take any one of this and substitute x equal to 0. You will get 1 only. 1 is equal to 8 by pi square into 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. Cross multiply it, you get pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus. Thank you so much students for watching. We'll meet in the next video.